Tehillim 23. YAHUAH is my shepherd, I do not lack. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He turns back my being. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. When I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You spread before me a table in the face of my enemies. You have anointed my head with oil, my cup runs over. Only goodness and loving commitment follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of YAHUAH to the length of days. Amen.